chains on the tractor are working awesome. We're just grabbing some fuel out of this thing. We're topped off. Definitely a deep one, but we're gonna grab some anti-gel. Don't want the thing we're relying on right now to let us down. All good to go. Let's get back to plowing. Say that, we'll get stuck here. There we go. Hours later, we're still going at this, and I'm running into a pretty big issue here. So this passenger side, the wheel now spins inside of the tire. I think because before the tire could slip enough and it couldn't actually get the traction. I had this issue before and all I did was put more air into it. Now with these chains, it is not giving up on traction. I do have these loaded with coolant and I'm sure that makes it slippery, but what am I missing, guys? I think max rating 20 PSI and I'm actually running like probably 23, I think I put in it. So I got a pretty heavy dose in there. It really tightened the chains up too, but I don't know, guys, you tell me. What's gonna get that wheel to stop spinning? Because that is killing our traction. We're just gonna keep on cleaning up the mess out here that Mother Nature left.